Hi, my name is Mika, and I've taken the intuitive massage course here at Bali BISA for the last 2 weeks, along with Mark.
Yes, hello, I'm Mark, and with Mika, we've been following the intuitive massage for the last 2 weeks.
And it has been a wonderful experience. We have been welcomed by a whole staff of amazing massage therapists and teachers, instructors, and have just had a really powerful experience to be able to learn hands-on massage, learning multiple different modalities, and then being able to use our own intuition and in response to the model or the client who's in front of us, being able to connect with them, have a conversation, and then be able to address their unique interests and their unique body.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we'll add that it's really hands-on, so practical oriented. So straight from the first day, we had to practice with different models, which feels really important and knowledgeable to just get the techniques right. And I have to say, after it's only 2 students per class, so really gets easy to chat with, asking questions and being intuitive intuitively. And I think we achieved this goal, as now we able, I guess, to have a flow for maybe an hour, 90 minutes. And yeah, I think it was a really nice experience and a really nice surrounding atmosphere. I will do it again.
Yeah. Thanks. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.